Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and realizing you've made money while you slept. Not from working extra hours, not from a risky gamble, but with the help of AI finance tools in 2025. These tools are changing the way Americans build passive income side hustles. And the best part? You don't need to be a Wall Street expert to use them. In today's video, we'll dive into the most powerful AI finance tools of 2025 and explore how they can help you create passive income streams right here in the USA. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also share the future of AI side hustles and how you can start building your financial freedom today. AI plus passive income equals freedom. Why AI plus passive income is exploding. In 2025, the side hustle economy in the USA has grown faster than ever before. Over 70% of Americans are actively looking for ways to make money outside of their 9-to-5 jobs. At the same time, AI has entered every corner of finance, from budgeting apps to robo-advisors to automated tax planning. This means average people now have access to financial tools that used to be exclusive to billion-dollar firms. The result? Anyone can start building multiple income streams, some active, some completely passive. Top 5 AI finance tools. 20251 AI budgeting tools. First, AI budgeting tools. Imagine an app that not only tracks your expenses, but also predicts your future bills, identifies hidden subscriptions, and suggests where to save. Apps like Rocket Money and Clio now use AI to give personalized financial coaching. For example, the app might say, if you cancel this unused subscription and shift $100 into investments, you'll earn an extra $1,200 by the end of the year. That's financial planning made simple. Keycap 2 AI investment platforms. Second, AI-powered investment platforms. Robo-advisors like Wealthfront and Betterment have become smarter in 2025. They don't just diversify your portfolio, they adjust it in real time using predictive AI models. This means you can earn dividends and long-term gains without constant trading. For many Americans, this is true passive income. Your money is working for you while you focus on life. Keycap 3 AI stock crypto analytics. Third, AI stock and crypto analytics tools. Platforms like TradingView AI and FinChat AI scan millions of data points, news, charts, sentiment, and give buy sell signals in real time. For side hustlers, this can turn part-time investing into a second source of income. Keycap 4 AI side hustle assistance. Fourth, AI assistance for side hustles. Let's say you're freelancing. Instead of spending hours writing content or creating designs, you use AI tools to automate most of the work. This turns your hustle into semi-passive income. AI does the heavy lifting, you just deliver the final product. Keycap 5 AI credit loan optimizers. Finally, AI credit and loan optimizers. These tools tell you which credit card gives the highest cashback, which loan refinancing option saves you the most, and how to boost your credit score. In 2025, some Americans are literally earning hundreds of dollars a year, just by letting AI choose the best financial products for them. How to build passive income with AI. Now the big question, how do you actually turn these tools into income? Let's break it down. Automated investing with robo-advisors for long-term growth. Freelancing with AI help to make side hustles faster, easier, and semi-passive. Digital products like finance guides, created with AI assistance and sold online for recurring revenue. Cashback optimization, turning everyday spending into free money. Crypto staking with AI risk management, letting your assets earn rewards automatically. The future of AI plus side hustles in USA. By 2030, experts predict that most American households will use at least one AI finance tool. The side hustle economy is expected to double, and those who adopt AI early will have the biggest advantage. Think of it this way. People who started YouTube in 2010 are millionaires today. People who start using AI finance tools in 2025 might be the next wave of financial success stories. So, if you're serious about building passive income in 2025, don't just rely on traditional side hustles. Start exploring these AI finance tools now, because they're reshaping the financial game in the USA. Which of these tools would you like me to cover in detail in the next video? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because your financial freedom could depend on the tools you start using today.